do, the moment you all been waiting for. Tail in the air. A street cat, Strut, I'm a lady's cat. Well, feed the castle, no, hey, then my master. Well, the shoe torn at the bottom in morning. Well, I get my dinner from a garbage can. Yeah, don't cross my path. And I got cat style. And I got cat style. This is a true story. So a few years back, I'm laying in bed and I hear a knock on my front door. So I look over my girl, I'm like, I'm gonna go check this out. I go to the front door, I open up and stand there's a very good friend of mine, his name is Tony. I went to high school with this cat. But he just drove all the way up to Louisiana in the middle of the night because he just left his home, he just left his girl, and he just left his job. And he wanted to go out and drink with me because I feel like every once in a while life stress weighs you down. You need to go out and have a good time with your friends, am I right? There you go. Because you know what happy could do? Well, just like that, all the troubles bound to